Good morning, guys. Another episode of our pre-market watch list charting series. So let's run through our low floater scanner and see what we have this morning. First stock is LPTX. I feel like this one was on the scanner earlier this week and didn't really do much after bell. So we shall see. Actually, remove all the old drawings first. So we're going to chart some levels of support and resistance. Okay. And it's below VWAP and EMA, so not too interested in that, but it's a top volume gapper for the day, so if it tries to find some support here on this double bottom that's trying to be a triple bottom, then perhaps we could see a bounce and a move towards VWAP. I'm going to mark this one here too, just in case. So we have one lower level. Then I have TMC, which we took a trade on earlier this morning. But now, again, it's below all levels. So, below VWAP, below EMA. Not too interested in that one either. I'm just actually going to move it from here. Now, INDP went absolutely insane yesterday. Remember how we were talking that there weren't that many things going on the scanner, and that's sometimes a good thing because there's like one obvious stack to trade that everyone will trade and it goes insane. And it totally happened. It was pretty crazy. It started the day around $13, $12, and went all the way up to 28. So it was a very fun trade. So second day runners are trickier. We spoke about it in one of our morning sessions, so I won't repeat again why. But definitely on watch. There's probably going to be a lot of FOMO in this one. It got halted yesterday, shortly after bell. So a lot of people will be watching it and definitely interested in what it does today. We took a trade on this one this morning too. A lot of so probably a break above 1745 could be good for a move towards 17.8 and then high of day. I like this one. You like it when a stock has such an obvious entry, like this is obviously very big point of resistance. So if we can break above it, it's an obvious entry. Nothing I like here. Again, below all indicators. And that's it. And these ones are with less volume. VNGO, we've traded this one so much. It's actually funny to see it back on scanner. These stocks go through their phases. They're all small companies, and every now and then they're hot for whatever reason. Their industry is hot. One of their peers had some big news, and everyone moves with it or whatever. So then you trade them for a couple months, and then they disappear. And then a couple years later, a year later, you see them again. Okay, and then what was it? And this one is not on scanner anymore. It was this morning, but we traded it yesterday also, and it went absolutely insane overnight. So definitely interested in this one. I'm going to just remove the old drawings. Actually, I want to touch this one. when you do support and resistance line, you want to touch as many candles as possible. This one could be very interesting on Bell also if he does this break above VWAP. Okay, so these three are my top watches this morning. INDP and IRNT are the same, from yesterday, and OPAD is new. So OPAD, we want to see it break above this level of 17.4. INDP, we wanted to do a 5-minute flag break / VWAP break. So that right now is break above 12.9. So we wanted to do that. I mean, potentially, I suppose we could trade a bounce off of this level too. And IRNT, would be a nice if we bounce again on this level to do a little double bottom on 41.25 and go, then trade and move towards VWAP. But we'll see. I'd also trade a VWAP break towards high of day. This one has a big range, so it's good. There could be a lot of opportunities. Okay, so I think that is it. Let's see what's going on.